back to the Adjunct's Kitchen, where we make affordable, easy to repair, and delicious meals for you part-time cooks and for your full-time eaters. My name's Chad Seeger, and today we're going to be making a seasonal twist on an old classic, fresh cherry salsa. The must-haves for this dish are fresh cherries, green onions, cilantro, and limes. If you like things spicy, you can always add some chilies. The steps to making this dish are to chop your green onions and cilantro, de-stone, and then chop your cherries. Mix everything together and add some fresh lime, plate, and serve. To make this dish, it's all prep. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the outer layer off your green onions and give it a fine chop. If you're using cilantro, try to get as many leaves as possible with the least amount of stem. Give it a fine chop. Add it to the mixing bowl. Haven't found a really good way to de-stone my cherries, so I just do it the old-fashioned way. I use one of my older knives, just get down to the stone and pick it out by hand. Once the pits are out of the cherries, we kind of proceed how we would to make normal salsa. So take the cherries, chop them up, give them a rough chop. If you like finer salsa, then you can puree it. For here, we're just going to give it a rough chop. Now that we've got our chopped cherries, throw them in the mixing bowl with the cilantro and the onion. Now at this stage, you can add a little bit of salt, black pepper, and coriander if you'd like. For the last ingredient, cut up some lime and squeeze it right in. Now simply give it a good mix. Here we have some beautiful cherry salsa. I use this salsa like I use regular salsa, but its unique flavor really kicks up a dish. Thanks everybody for watching. If you have any questions or requests for other dishes, leave them in the comment section below. Like and subscribe if you like what you saw, and I'll see you on the next Adjunct's Kitchen.